When choosing between Sonic and AT&T Internet, three key factors stand out: availability, speed, and technology. Let's examine how these providers compare across each dimension. First, let's look at network availability. AT&T offers significantly broader coverage across the United States compared to Sonic's more focused regional approach. AT&T provides nationwide coverage with an ambitious fiber expansion plan. They're targeting 60 million fiber locations by 2030, and their 5G home internet service, AT&T Internet Air, is available across 47 states. In contrast, Sonic focuses primarily on California markets, though they are actively expanding their footprint within the state. Now let's compare internet speeds. Both providers offer high-speed connections, but with different maximum capabilities and service types. Sonic leads in maximum fiber speeds, offering up to 10 gigabits per second in select areas. This makes them one of the fastest residential internet providers available. AT&T Fiber provides speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, which is still extremely fast for most users. Their Internet Air service offers more modest speeds between 90 and 300 megabits per second. Finally, let's examine the underlying technologies. The choice of technology affects both performance and reliability of your internet connection. Sonic focuses primarily on fiber optic technology. Fiber provides the highest speeds and lowest latency, making it ideal for demanding applications like gaming, streaming, and remote work. AT&T offers a more diverse technology portfolio, providing multiple connection types to serve different areas and customer needs. In summary, AT&T provides broader availability and technology diversity, while Sonic offers superior speeds through their fiber-focused approach in California markets. Your choice depends on your location, speed requirements, and technology preferences. When comparing pricing, Sonic offers competitive rates with their fiber internet starting at $49.99 per month for 1 gigabit speeds. AT&T's fiber plans start at $55 per month, making Sonic about $5 cheaper for comparable gigabit service. Both providers offer flexible contract terms. Sonic generally doesn't require contracts and provides unlimited data with no caps. AT&T also offers straightforward pricing with no contracts in California and no data caps, making both providers customer-friendly in terms of flexibility. Both companies maintain solid customer service reputations, with AT&T particularly excelling in this area, according to industry satisfaction studies. Expert opinions highlight both providers' strengths. Sonic was voted the fastest internet provider overall by PC Magazine from 2022 through 2024. Meanwhile, AT&T was voted the best internet provider in the country for 2025, tied with Verizon Fios, and rated the fastest ISP by Ookla speed test data. When it comes to customer ratings on third-party platforms, Sonic tends to have higher overall ratings compared to AT&T, reflecting strong customer satisfaction with their service quality. Both Sonic and AT&T offer competitive services with their own strengths. Sonic provides lower pricing and higher third-party ratings, while AT&T excels in customer service and has received recent industry recognition for overall performance.